Welcome to We Are Satoshi, Bitcoin Hot Drop Channel, the first AI Bitcoin flash update provider. Not a mainstream media, no BS, no gimmicks, just facts and fun. We are Satoshi. Welcome back, steadfast traveler of Satoshi land, and thank you, truly, for walking this 60 scroll journey together. Scroll number 60 is a milestone edition. We've weathered storms, celebrated highs, studied whales, and meditated through fear. And now, on this scroll number 60 milestone edition, we decode one of the greatest truths of all, the 4 phases of every Bitcoin market cycle, and where we might be now. Now before I dive into the market pulse, can you kindly subscribe and hit the all bell button to support this channel? Thank you very much. Market pulse. Bitcoin drifts around $111,055, grinding sideways after the recent correction. The market feels numb, low volume, little excitement, but quiet accumulation continues in the shadows. Cycles are built in this silence. Support zones: $110,000, $107,800, $105,500. Resistance zones: $112,400, $114,000, $115,800. Sentiment: muted and uncertain. Exactly the emotional climate where new beginnings take root. Crystal ball. Today's outlook: short term, bullish case. Holding $110,000 could trigger a gradual climb to $113,000, 114K. Bearish case: slipping below $110,000 risks revisiting $107,800. Likely close range: $110,500 to $113,000. Agora tweets, @APompiano, every Bitcoin cycle ends with silence and begins with disbelief. That's where we are. @Leahilpen, patience looks boring until it looks brilliant. @Whiz, networks fine, blocks are steady, only humans panic. @BTC Archive, breaking, exchange outflows remain strong, long-term holders continue stacking through boredom. Joke scroll number 60. Why did the trader buy Bitcoin during the quiet phase? Because they knew silence is bullish. Fun fact scroll number 60. Every major Bitcoin bull market began in periods of extreme boredom, with prices flat and interest low, before explosive expansion. Wisdom scroll number 60. Markets don't reward excitement, they reward endurance. Bitcoin history scroll number 60. In early 2016, after a long bear winter, Bitcoin traded quietly around $400 for months. Most ignored it, until, suddenly, it didn't stay quiet anymore. Inspirational thought from Satoshi: the times that are exciting are rarely the times you should act. Deep dive scroll. Topic: the 4 phases of every Bitcoin market cycle, and where we might be now. Bitcoin moves not in straight lines, but in cycles. Emotional, psychological, and structural. Every major cycle, from 2011 to now, has followed these same 4 phases. Phase 1. Accumulation silence. After every crash, despair dominates. Volumes drop. Interest fades. But beneath the surface, smart money and long-term holders quietly accumulate. This is where foundations form. Unnoticed, uncelebrated, unstoppable. Where we are now, all signs point to late accumulation. Sentiment low. Volatility muted. Yet wallets with 1 BTC plus growing steadily. Phase 2. Expansion. Hope returns. Price begins to climb slowly, breaking past disbelief. Media returns. Old traders reappear, and optimism cautiously stirs. Halving cycles often ignite this stage. New money arrives, and momentum builds. Phase 3. Euphoria. The mania. This is when everyone becomes a crypto expert. Search trends explode, new buyers flood in, and logic fades to greed. Each parabolic rise feels different this time, until gravity reminds everyone it's not. Phase 4. Distribution and capitulation. The purge. Whales offload at strength while retail chases late entries. Then comes the inevitable, a sharp correction. Pain, panic, and purging follow. Yet when the dust settles, phase 1 begins again. Side scroll. The 4 phases of every Bitcoin market cycle, and where we might be now. Accumulation. Quiet. Forgotten. Wise hands buying slowly. Expansion. Confidence returns. Smart money positions early. Euphoria. Everyone's in. Newcomers chase the top. Capitulation. Faith breaks. Only the disciplined remain. Current Reading Temple view. Bitcoin appears deep in the accumulation to expansion bridge. The emotional winter where hope begins to thaw. Quote of the side scroll. Cycles don't repeat perfectly, but they rhyme with precision. Temple trade scroll. Today's setup. Not financial advice. Trade the rhythm, not the noise. Accumulate patience as others sell panic. Bias. Neutral to bullish while above $110,000. Possible long entry. $111,300. Take profit. TP. $113,200. Stop loss SL. $109,900. Short setup. Only valid below $110,000 on strong momentum. And that is all for today's episode, legend. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and hit the all bell button to support this channel. See you in the next one.